What's unique about this air fryer is it has this window, so as soon as you turn it on, it turns on a light and you can look inside, you can see how your food is being cooked. I've used a lot of air fryers before. I've never seen one with a window on before. That's so cool. The design for this air fryer is really nice. It's really intuitive to use. It has these little icons or logos to let you know what it's cooking. These are just for presets, but you can manually set the temperature, you can manually set the time. The controls are all touch controls. It works really well, works really fast. While you can use this to cook a lot of things, I usually just use this to reheat things or use it for frozen foods, and it works fantastically for things like that. I like that the tray is basically a square shape, so it makes it so you can fit a lot more in than a lot of the circle shapes I've seen with other air fryers. It also comes with a tray that you can put inside that helps elevate food so that you can cook all around the food, heat things up even faster. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I have used a lot of air fryers, and honestly most of them are pretty similar in most regards, but this is the only one I've seen with a window. I didn't think it would make that big of a difference, but it does. It's so much easier to cook food when you don't have to open it, close it, open it, close it. You can just look to see if it's ready or not. Really cool idea, really nice air fryer. Ba-doom, boom.